The Oppo Reno 13, launched in November 2024, is a standout device in the mid-range smartphone category, offering a compelling combination of style, performance, and innovative features. It sports a stunning 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2760 by 1256 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and fluid animations for an immersive viewing experience. The display also boasts excellent brightness levels, making it easy to use in direct sunlight, further enhancing its usability for media consumption and gaming. At the heart of the Oppo Reno 13 is the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, which delivers powerful performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, the Reno 13 ensures smooth operation and ample space for all your photos, apps, and media. The large storage capacity makes it ideal for those who prefer not to worry about running out of space, while the top-tier RAM ensures fast performance even when handling multiple tasks at once. The camera setup on the Reno 13 is another highlight, featuring a 50MP wide-angle lens and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, allowing users to capture stunning, detailed photos in a variety of settings. Whether you're snapping wide landscapes or getting up close for intricate shots, the camera system offers impressive versatility. For selfie enthusiasts, the 50MP front camera delivers exceptionally sharp and vibrant self-portraits, perfect for social media or video calls. Additionally, advanced AI enhancements further improve photo quality, offering features like portrait mode and night mode for improved low-light photography. Battery life on the Oppo Reno 13 is also robust, with a 5600 mAh battery that supports 80W fast charging, meaning you can quickly power up and get back to using your phone with minimal downtime. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, the Reno 13 is designed to keep up with your needs throughout the day. Running on Android 15 with Oppo's ColorOS 15, the device offers a refined and user-friendly interface that brings with it new customization options, enhanced security features, and smoother navigation. The Oppo Reno 13 also comes with an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance, making it a durable choice for users who need a phone that can withstand the elements. This makes it an excellent option for those who lead active lifestyles or work in environments where their device is exposed to potential hazards. With its blend of high-end performance, photography capabilities, and durability, the Oppo Reno 13 is a powerful, all-around device that stands out as a reliable choice in the competitive smartphone market.